Hello guys, welcome back to Rudy Organics. Today I'll be teaching you people how to do sunblock, to protect ourselves from the sun. We all know the damaging effects of these UV rays on our body. So I'll teach people how to do a good sunblock that we put it on when we want to go out, especially during the day under the sun. But before I continue, please make sure that you like, you subscribe, you share my video to others so that they too can benefit from what we are doing here. So I'll be back. Also make sure to turn on the notification button so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So welcome back. What we'll be needing for our sunblock, for us to get an effective sunblock, is just two items. It's not something that is very difficult. We need our aloe vera gel. This is aloe vera gel. And we also need our coconut oil. This is cold pressed coconut oil that I made myself. Coconut oil cold pressed. And then this one is aloe vera gel. So here we go. Let's begin. So we take 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So we mix them together. Mix the aloe vera gel and your coconut oil so you get a smooth consistency. Mix very well. This is what we. So this is our sunblock. This sunblock is very effective. You apply it on your face before going out during the day, especially for those that are using bleaching cream, anything that tones your body or lightens your body. Make sure you apply this sunblock before going out. Always use those lightening agents, but at night. During the day, you make sure you apply your sunblock. You apply it on your face, and you'll never have any problem with your face like sunburn, because that's the complaint of so many women: sunburn all over their face. So if you are using this, you say goodbye to sunburn. So let's transfer it inside our container. Here we go. So this is our sunblock. For those who might not have the items to prepare it, you can buy it from me. So you just apply it on your face like your face cream during the day, and you use anything that you're using on your face, but at night. This sunblock will help you. You will never experience sunburn. You say goodbye to sunburn. Thank you people so much for watching, and I'll still repeat, make sure you subscribe. For those who are still watching without subscribing, please subscribe. Turn on the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Bye.